Hello everyone, how is it going? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to touch one of the most talked about topics for anyone who's already in the middle of a real estate transactions or about to get into one, especially sellers. It is real estate excise tax. In Washington state, the real estate excise tax usually paid for by sellers. However, buyers are liable if it's not paid by seller. There is a new change to real estate excise tax structure in Washington state. It is not a completely new change. However, it could be new to anyone who has not been involved in a real estate transaction since January 2020. And it also could be confusing to some of you. So in this video, I am going to give you all of the information you need to know about this new change in real estate excise tax. Real estate excise tax in Washington used to be a flat rate structure of 1.28%. Beginning in January 2020, this structure was converted into a tier rate structure. The net result of this tier rate structure benefits a majority of real estate transactions. However, it increased significantly tax rate for more valuable properties. The state tax rate will be imposed at different tiers are as follows. The rate is marginalized, so you pay for the first tier rate up to $500,000 at 1.1%. Then you pay for anything above $500,000 at 1.28% until you reach the next tier rate. Let me just give you an example to make it easier to understand. Let's take a look at an example scenario of this transaction of the total sale price of $4.4 million. You're going to pay the first $500,000 at 1.1%. That would make it $5,500. Then you will pay the next $1 million at 1.28%, and that would make $12,800. After that, you are going to pay the next $1,500,000 at the third tier of 2.75%, which equals $41,250. After that, you will pay the remaining $1,400,000 at the highest tier of 3%, and that would be $42,000. And then you will add these four total together, and you will have the total tax for this $4.4 million transaction at $101,550. Of course, there's always exemptions. Many properties exempt from this tier structure. Here are some examples. Gifted properties, inheritance or device, community property, domestic partnership, dissolution of marriage, bankruptcy, low-income housing, mortgage insurer, just to name a few. This new change in real estate excise tax obviously will affect many of us as sellers and even as buyers. It may save you a lot of money if your property is under $500,000. And it also could be a big hit to your pocket if your property is above $1.5 million. To find out specifically how this new change will affect you, or whether you're eligible for exemption, consult with a professional. Before you go, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you won't miss out any of my videos in future. My name is Ivy, and I'll see you next time.